Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Realme 11 Pro Plus and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find users and accounts. Of course, you can use Google section, but I prefer this one, so let me tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the section with the accounts. I have already added one account, but let me show you how to. Let's start with the process of adding accounts. So let's tap on it, tap on Google, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it, and just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and you should receive the information, as you can see. So let's tap on I agree after reading. Alright, and as you can see, right now we've got this Google section, and basically after tapping on it you can see that we've got two different accounts added. Of course you can remove the Google account whenever you want to. Just tap on it, tap on the three icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account, and as you can see it will disappear immediately. Let me remove this one also. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.